Saving money and financial security, building a stable future. Today, many people earn money, but not everyone achieves financial security. Why? Because it's not how much you earn, but how you manage it. Today, we will explore the true meaning of saving money and financial security. What is saving? Saving money means setting aside a portion of your income for the future. It sounds simple, but it can change your life. Saving is not just about keeping money, it is an investment in your future. Why is it important? Life does not always go according to plan. Unexpected expenses, illness, or job problems. If you have savings, you feel calm. If you don't, stress begins. What is financial security? Financial security is when your money works for you. It means living without debt, sleeping peacefully, and not being afraid of the future. Small steps. Saving money does not start with big amounts. It starts with small habits. For example, save 10% of your income every month. Or reduce small, unnecessary expenses. Common mistakes. Many people make these mistakes. Spending everything, living without a plan, delaying saving. Remember, "I will start later" is the biggest mistake. 3 golden rules. There are 3 simple rules for financial security. First, always save. Second, avoid unnecessary expenses. Third, think long-term. Real-life example. Imagine this. 2 people earn the same salary. One saves, the other spends everything. After 5 years, one achieves freedom. The other is still struggling. Start today. You don't need to wait for a big income. You can start today. Small steps lead to big results. Conclusion. Saving is a habit. Financial security is the result. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Financial knowledge is the key to freedom. Investment and wealth growth. How to build your capital. Many people work hard every day, but not everyone builds wealth. Why? Because earning money is only the first step. Growing it is what truly matters. Today, we will explore how investment helps you grow your capital and secure your future. What is investment? Investment means using your money to generate more money. Instead of letting your money sit idle, you put it to work. It can grow through time, discipline, and smart decisions. Why investment matters? Saving money is important, but saving alone is not enough. Inflation slowly reduces the value of money. Investment helps you stay ahead. It protects and grows your wealth over time. Types of investments. There are many ways to invest. Stocks, real estate, businesses. Each has its own risks and rewards. The key is to understand where your money goes. Risk and reward. Every investment carries risk, but risk can be managed. Higher returns often come with higher risk. Smart investors learn how to balance both. Starting small. You don't need a large amount of money to start investing. Even small amounts can grow over time. Consistency is more important than size. Long-term thinking. Investment is not about quick profit. It is about patience. Time is your greatest advantage. The longer you stay invested, the more your capital grows. Common mistakes. Many beginners make the same mistakes. Acting on emotion, following trends blindly, expecting fast results. Successful investing requires discipline and knowledge. Building capital. Capital grows step by step through saving, investing, and reinvesting. Over time, your money starts working for you, and financial freedom becomes possible. Conclusion. Investment is a journey. Capital growth is the result. Start small, Stay consistent and think long term. Your future depends on what you do today.